Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Mom Bears Homestead and more. On today's adventure, we got to get going, guys. We're running out of time. There's a few people starting to combine some corn, but I mean, I probably got a good month before I'm ready to pick any corn. But there's no need to put this off. Need to get after it. I brought my old not so great table over here to have, and we are going to, what are we going to work on today? I'll probably try and finish the tie rods up, and I got a bolt for the tie rods. What else did I get? Oh, and we got to drill that hole in the main beam, get that done. So that's what we're going to work on today. Them are not coming loose, but that's all right. Oh yeah, I need this on this side. Well, we're gonna change that plan up a little bit. You ask, what are you gonna do, Papa Bear? I'm gonna go get the sawzall and cut them off. Replace them. But I'll be back. Well, guys, I've changed my mind. Yes, I'm gonna get a sawzall and cut these off. But let's go ahead and get the hole drilled in this one, in the front. That way I can have this main beam be solid. So that's what we're going to do. Let me get some safety glasses on. Alright, we're back. Safety goggles and all. Alright, now we've got our first hole through, pilot hole you'd call it. Let's get the big bit on and push it through there. Yeah, I don't like using big drill bits in a cordless drill, but hey, we'll give it a shot. guys, we got the first hole through. Now let me grab my bolts. Oh yeah, I probably could have shortened them bolts up some, but it'll be all right. We'll just put 2 extra flat washers on there. Two on both sides. That'll work that up. Yeah. We'll grab this here impact. And this wrench. Now that we got the, let me show you guys. All right, this is one piece. This is one piece. It goes into this piece, different pieces. So we got three pieces, but now these 2 pieces are locked together because we ran the bolt through and got that did. Also a hole right here. I'm hoping my drill will fit in there to drill that hole out. But on the back here, you put one hole through here, but you want your rear end of your wagon to be able to flex like that. That's why these holes are slotted on both sides. So and we'll put these on the these funky looking washer things. We'll try to use them on the outside, and I think we can, just for more support. But yeah, now that I got the front bolted to the main beam, this is the main beam. I got the front bolted to that main beam. I can cut these 2 bolts. I've tried to take them loose and they're tight, so we'll just cut them and replace them. But yeah, we might have a wagon, a 1-piece wagon by the time we're done with this. I hope so. That's the goal. All right, guys, let me switch some batteries around here. Try this one first. Yeah, it's not working very well. So we're gonna have to hold the bolt, keep it from turning. Now, we go this way. Let that rest there. Let that rest there. And the cool thing about working with the Sawzall is you don't have to cut all the way through it. You can cut halfway. Then you get your trusty hammer. That's what we was looking for. Well, no, that don't really fit that well. Only fits on the main pipe. Oh well. No, that ain't gonna fit very good at all. Don't fit very good at all there either. So I guess we ain't gonna use those. What do you guys think of that? Think that'll be okay? Me too. Me too. Now, let's whack this one. This one will be a little trickier because we put that bolt right in our way. You guys are watching me struggle. Yeah, it might be cut far enough. Get that up. Oh yeah, we're winning. Alright, we got that out of the way. Make it way more better. I guess, guys, we need to drill this back hole. And I ain't looking forward to that. Hold on, I'm gonna go get something to make my life. Well, guys, I had to do it. Oh, gravel is hard on my knees. So we got a bin, one of our produce bins. Went and got it so I can at least have my knees on that. So, all right, guys, let's get back to drilling some holes. Yeah, you guys can see. All right, we're gonna have to get our smaller bit. And I may have to go get another one, even smaller bit than this. This old drill is old, or it's pretty used up. I use it a lot. All right, we got a pilot started. Glasses. Well, guys, that wasn't the plan. Just broke a drill bit.
Broke a drill bit?
Yeah.
How'd you do that?
I don't know, Mom Bear.
I got all the mineral blocks up.
Good.
Sliced my finger open.
That's not good.
But not with my new tool and not with the mechanics wire. It was in one of the hutches with wire that was already in there.
Come on out of there, drill bits. Alright, we got that out. Now let's get this out. Yeah, you're not really hunting two-piece drill bits. That's not really a good thing. But it ain't the first drill bit I've ever broke, I can tell you that. Probably not going to be the last. We'll slow the drill down. No, we won't. I don't like that. Glasses. Battery decides it's tired, so let's take the one out of the sawzall. We're done with it for today. Let's see, it's got one bar, so it won't be long. Close, guys. All right. That was kind of scary. Well, I'm gonna go round up some more hardware. The bolt. All right, guys, we got this bolt here. We're going to double nut this one. Yeah, double nutted because this bolt here lets your back half of your wagon rotate. Kind of the suspension of the wagon. So we got that one done. I think might as well, guys. I'll have to go hunt up some more hardware, but that ain't nothing but a thing. But there's a hole right there. I think I want to go ahead and put a bolt in that, and then we can call the main pipe done and continue painting forward. I've got everything to do, finish my tie rod system up, and all that was bolts. Or I needed one more bolt, so yeah. So I think, well, I'm gonna try to drill this hole in. I broke my pilot bit, so all I got is the big bit now. So we'll see what happens. Glasses. I think she's gonna get a little ornery on me. I hope that comes through straight. I think we deaded that battery too. I think we got one more out here. I think. No, we don't. Alright guys, I'll have to kind of go get these on the charger. Alright guys, we're back. Got a charged battery, but I have not a single 5/8 nut on the farm. So I think I'm gonna have to run to the old Boneheads and get me some more 5/8 hardware. I was already there once and got a bolt, but I thought I had all the hardware. Yeah, let's stop before we break a drill bit again. Alright, we'll drill it through from this side. Alright, we got, shoot. Did I not bring that long bolt back down? Hold on, I'll be right back. So, yeah, guys, that'd work fine if we had a 5/8 nut. And I found one. But I still have to go get some. Throw that bolt up there. That's where it's gonna go. All right, we need the battery, you know, because we play musical battery. Holding that with the wrench. There's those hammers. Right. I like that a lot, guys. So we're in pretty decent shape, honestly. So I'm going to have to end this video here because I have to run it and get some more hardware so I can do that tie rod bolt up there that's too short. I might go ahead and do both of them. Let me feel it. One there. Nah, that's plenty long. That's long enough. So yeah, we got that done. So yeah, we just need one more. Actually, one nut would probably get us. I can't believe I don't have it here. That makes me very angry. But there's no need of getting angry because it's going to cost me 30 minutes to go get with just one 60-cent nut. And the thing of it is, I was looking at them earlier. That's how I know they're 60 cents. But yeah, I wish I had a better way to keep hardware around here. I don't have a bolt bin, is what I'm getting at. I wish I did. That'd be so handy. But it's so expensive when you get into buying big bolts for like 5/8 and 3/4. I bought some 3/4 inch by 8 to put wheel weights on the Marty. They were like $14 a piece. Yeah, I got half of that project done, but since Marty's been down, I ain't really been that excited to do the other side, but we'll get there. I got a little bit of grease to clean off the front. I've seen a couple places that had grease on them from when I was beating on them tie rods or spindles. Get them out and get that grease cleaned up, and then we can finish painting it. So I'm gonna run to Heltonville to the old Boneheads and get me some nuts, and I guess I'll leave this video here. Just call it a video. There's a good possibility I might come back and get started on it again, but I guess I'm not getting anywhere standing here talking to you all. So as always, my friends, keep on keeping on, because we love every single one of you.